Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Supercell ID to Clash Royale. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, open up your Clash Royale and go to the three stripe bar at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it and you should see a list of options. Now from here, just tap on the Supercell ID. Now you can see I have an ID already linked to my device, so it is shown right away. But if you don't have the same screen, just tap on login to Supercell ID. Just tap on continue and put in your email address that your Supercell ID is linked to. After you put in your email address, just tap on login. Now Supercell will send a verification code to your email address. Just go to your email address and get the code and paste it in the box. After you put in your verification code, just tap on submit and tap on confirm to load the account. Now you can see my Supercell ID should be connected with the Clash Royale. And that's it on how to connect your Supercell ID to Clash Royale. If you have any confusion, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to help you guys. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.